Good evening, everybody. I want to show you everything about this. It's a short, removable power cord dongle that lets you use a standard 15 amp extension cord. If I'm not running my air conditioner when I'm boondocked, I'll just use this. And a really long 12 gauge extension cord. What I've also been known to do, instead of running my propane furnace when I'm camped early or late in the season and I want to have heat all night, is hook this up, plug in this extension cord. This one happens to be 80 feet long. I'll run that out as far as it'll go, and then find a nearby tree and chain my Honda EU2000 generator to a tree, fill it up with gas right before I go to bed. I have a little 3-way or a 3 wattage space heater, and I'll run that space heater on the 600 watt setting all night. And it'll run from about 9 p.m. up until about 6 a.m., at which point it'll die because the generator's out of gas. But doing that, I sleep a lot better because I don't have to listen to the noise of the propane furnace cycling on and off all night. Plus, I don't wake up in the morning and have dead batteries from the blower motor in the furnace running all night. So it's kind of a twofold benefit to doing that with the generator and this cord and whatnot. But if your RV has a removable style power cord, I'd highly recommend getting one of these and doing something similar. I would actually say that probably 90% of the time that I have a power hookup, or that I need power, I should say, this is the setup I'll use. If I'm camped in an RV park, which is pretty rare, then I will use the big heavy-duty cord that came with a camper, or a longer one that I bought, but I've never needed to use the longer one. The short one will always work, which is not really short, it's 25 feet long.